really dried out your hand? We have a solution for you.
Perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Sensory Plus Airlines. Today, we're en route from dry and damaged hands to soft and smooth. Now sit tight and enjoy this safety demonstration video. To begin our approach, we highly recommend you to start the journey with Sensory Plus HYDRA DETOX hand sanitizer. First step, remove the cap. Spray 4 to 6 pumps onto your hand. Then, rub it thoroughly. This HYDRA DETOX hand sanitizer is made out of 75% sugarcane distilled alcohol. It protects your hand, while Aloe Vera and vegetable oil glycerine hydrates and nourishes. In the unlikely event that you have been using a gel hand sanitizer that contains synthetic alcohol that dries out your hand, we have a solution for you. Sensory Plus has launched Hand Immune Boosters. It's a collection of hand care products specially designed for frequently sanitized hands. It's available in 3 Australian nature-inspired fragrances. It comes in Verona Night, warm ginger scent, TOOWOOMBA Carnival, fresh floral scent, and Ginder Orchard, invigorating citrus scent. It has vegan keratin extracted from soybeans, designed to repair the natural barrier of the skin. Multivitamins that infuse skin with critical nutrition for it to repair. And also probiotics from kombucha that really put the good bacteria back onto your skin. When alcohol is applied to your skin, it not only kills the bad bacteria, but also kills the good bacteria that maintains skin health. Prebiotics put the good bacteria back onto your skin to reset your skin balance. Now, we're about to take off. Please put your seat upright, fasten your seatbelt, and hope you enjoy this journey to soft, smooth hands. If you would like to access the in-flight entertainment, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Have a safe flight.